Getting around a Spanish city and freezing up? Today you learn 8 words to navigate the streets. Stay to the end for a full recap. Where it all happens.
La calle.
It means the street.
Vivo en esta calle.
Where you catch the bus.
La parada.
It means the stop.
La parada está aquí.
The fast way around town.
El metro.
It means the subway.
Tomamos el metro.
Handy for directions.
La esquina.
It means the corner.
Gira en la esquina.
A key direction verb.
Girar.
It means to turn.
Tienes que girar a la derecha.
The heart of the town.
La plaza.
It means the square.
Nos vemos en la plaza.
A handy little word.
Cerca.
It means near, close.
Está muy cerca.
The opposite of near.
Lejos.
It means far.
El museo está lejos.
Let's recap the 8 city words from today.
La calle, la parada, el metro, la esquina, girar, la plaza, todo cerca, lejos.
Subscribe for a Spanish lesson every day. Next video asking for directions in Spanish.